Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome. Today I'm going to be installing a unit from Outre. They sent over this Larissa wig and I'm here for it. This wig is really cute. I love the simple install as well. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into it. So taking the unit out of the packaging, I have the color DRFF Chocolate Toffee. This is a 28-inch synthetic wig. It has HD transparent lace. You can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. This one is part of their Sleeklay part series. So I am using the style Larissa. This unit comes in a bunch of other colors, and you can see those on the stock card. The Sleeklay part has a flat lace finish, so it has ear-to-ear lace in the front. You get your party's lace in the middle. And with the Sleeklay part, the wigs are going to lay flatter, so you don't have to use as much heat to get your roots really flat. Here's some stock card info. I'm going to start off with cutting the lace off first. After I have tinted the lace, because the lace was a little bit more pale, and I feel like it is a little bit harder for me to blend the pale lace into my skin. So I use lace tint spray around the hairline area, and I'm going to let that dry down, and we're going to put the wig on. I start off with cutting off my ear tabs first with the lace, and then I'll just go around the rest of my forehead and get all the lace cut off. Now you can definitely wear this unit straight out of the packaging as is. However, I wanted my area near my parting space to look a little bit more thinned out, a little bit more realistic. So with that, I am just going to pluck out the hairline right around the parting space only. I'm not going to go around the entire area of my head because the way the hair falls, it's going to cover up majority of your hairline anyway. So you don't need to you don't need to pluck all the way around, but it's up to you if you want to do that. So here's my process of plucking the unit. I'm just going to take little section by little section until I get it completely done how I would like for it to look, and I think it looks a whole lot better once plucked out. You guys let me know what you think about that. Then we're just going to move on to my hot comb. It had a little bit of areas towards the back of the hair that I wanted to lay down a little bit more flat, so I took a little low temp with my hot comb to get that laying down a little bit more flat. But after that, all you need to do is just comb out the unit if you want the curls to be a little bit more loose, or you can keep them tight. And then that's just going to be the process of installing this wig, which I think is a pretty simple install. You didn't have to go in and recurl it. It is definitely very helpful. And this is what the end process looks like. I think this is a very cute wig. My rating, I would give it like a 9 out of 10. It's really cute. I love the color placement and the chocolate toffee shade. You know, I'm a sucker for a middle part, so the middle part is giving life to me. Now I will say one thing. I know I said about combing out the curls because I don't like for my curls to be really tight. So I did that, and I feel like the ends are not giving fresh wear, if you guys can see what I'm talking about. You'll have to probably go in and like recurl it, or maybe add like some oil or something to it just to make sure that it doesn't look really dry, because I think that's what it's looking like right now at the ends, and it's gonna make me end up chopping it. And honestly, I think chopping it is going to look really cute. Can you like picture it being this length? And you know, I love long hair too, but I think I might end up just cutting this one to make it last a little bit longer. I feel like with it being longer and synthetic, it's probably not going to last as long as I would like it to, because it's already just kind of, I don't know, like the ends are not doing what I want it to do. And to be honest, it's also shedding. When I am playing with these end pieces, I'm pulling out a lot of strands, so it is shedding. But on a good note, it's big head friendly. I feel like I have a lot of space back here because I am on the bigger headed side. Like I said, I really do like the coloring of this one. I think it's really cute, and I think their other colors are going to be really pretty in this unit. I like the layers in it too. Even though they're longer layers, it's not just one length all the way across. I like the colorful placement of these colors in it. Would I repurchase this wig? I absolutely would, because I feel like it's just going to be one of those affordable, easy go-tos when you need a real cute style to rock on any given day. Let me give you guys like a back view as well. So since the lace is strictly in the middle, I don't really feel like you can wear this wig to the side. I don't think it's going to look that great. I put mine on glueless today, so that's another great feature. You can have a, yeah, see, I don't like that. I don't think that looks cute, but you guys let me know what you think. I don't know. I think that looks weird. I'm going to stick with mine being in the middle. But yeah, this is installed glueless, which is a good feeling to not have to use product to hold it into place. That is the installation process of today's wig. Let me know what you guys think about this one. If you plan on purchasing this one, will you be trying it? And have you tried the color chocolate toffee before? But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you to Outre for sending over today's unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.